This is what we have here. This is the gift we're going to give away today. The Eseesmart. See that? A home security system, which you can able to do a lot of stuff with your cell phone while you're not home. You can see everything that is going on. And if the kids get from school or whatever, wife, husband, they can push that ding dong bell right there. And you send a notification to your camera, to your cell phone, and which you can able to see who is on the door, or maybe the mail guy, and all the good stuff, whatever you want to use it for. But so far so good, guys. This is the giveaway for today, and I hope you guys like that. And get ready for the drawing, because we're gonna be picking our contestants here as we go. And please don't forget to, if you're the winner, send me an email at jwsolarUSA@hotmail.com. I'm so sorry, because the last time, Randolph, I'm sorry, because I think I mentioned jwsolarUSA@gmail. I'm sorry, it's not a Gmail, it's jwsolarUSA@hotmail.com. I'm so sorry about that, I apologize. And guys, send me email, and if you already won, or you're the winner of this one, I would like you to send me a notification telling me that you already received your package, because I haven't heard from others, but I know they already got it, because I got a tracking on the package, which the UPS or whosoever US Postal Service send me a notification that I can check online and see they already got it. So, and the other thing again, please make a video and post it on your channel and show us your unboxing and how everything is working for you after you install it. I'll be so happy to if you can share that video with me. And I had a channel I was gonna build just like all this other stuff I'm doing, so that I can post it there. You can send the video on WhatsApp for me, then I can post it there and show, because people want to see all the giveaways and all the other stuff we've been doing, and they can able to see. I can just refer them to that channel. That channel is not my main channel. That's just any other channel. That's a channel I've helped people. Channels people already send me their videos on certain help online or on video conferencing, you know, whatever, so they can watch it over there. So it's easy to answer some few questions with a lot of people who needs help regarding to the question they're asking about. So I can just refer them on that channel and check it out. So that's all that channel is for. They can just go there and make references and see what is going on, or what people has already done. It's really hard for me to track over, I think, over 500 videos, and someone asking you a question about so thing. I can still remember, but I'm not going to be well precise to give you that. I have to watch the video again, what I said on that video. But if you have a channel like that, it's easy to send someone the link to just get a reference and see exactly. You can go through all what other people have went through, or all the questions I've answered, and how they tend to run their system with all the help I've given them. Not everybody has given me that kind of opportunity, but few people decided to do that and share, and which I appreciate, and so that will help other people like you. Thanks for watching. Let's get into the business here. Love you guys, and subscribe, share my channel and videos, like them, and stay tuned for more to go. After this giveaway, this will be a last one for the month of March, and stay tuned and stay active into this channel, because you don't know what's coming next, because a lot of huge plans coming, and I don't know what will be the fun thing. I haven't seen any excitement into this one yet, but anyway, I appreciate for you guys who participated on this entire thing. It's not just the views, no, it's just a matter of appreciation, and thank you for being there with me for all these past 3 years on YouTube. So I want to give back whatever I can for you guys to feel thank you and appreciate it. Well, anyway, guys, let's go to the business now. Giveaway. I'm going to be doing the drawing. Stay tuned. Bye for now. Well, it's about time for the drawing, and let's do it. That's a weird one. Okay, this has been forever.